Hey, welcome to a long overdue episode of. Wait, that's not...
Take two.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Chatty Gig Economist here. Tonight is going to be my first night ever doing Grubhub. I almost said DoorDash. Although this bag looks a lot like the DoorDash bag, just bigger. It's kind of like a pizza bag slash tote bag. These are the DoorDash bags here. Yeah, so they sent me this catering bag. I got a sign that says "Be right back." They sent me some hand sanitizer and masks and gloves and all that. I got my old phone here with the body cam thing, so we're gonna be recording all that. So let's fire up the phone. I should probably start recording the screen here so you guys can see. All right, so let's fire up the Grubhub for Drivers app. Ready to deliver? Tap unavailable. You would think it'd be the other way around. Remember to bring your car with you. Oh yeah, I got that in my wallet. So they do the order and pay like how Uber Eats and DoorDash do. Panda Express just came in. That is literally right around the corner from where I am. You can see the orange merchant sign up there. And the customer is they're in a really nice neighborhood there. You can see in the golf course there. One order, $7.50. So yes, I will accept this one. This is gonna be my first Grubhub order. So I'm gonna accept offer. So let's go get this bread, or in this case, this Chinese food.
You know what? This video is going to be 10 hours long if I go into this much detail for every delivery. So let's just do it Nugs style.
Oh man, that took way too long. I was in there like at least 20 minutes. This has been a recurring theme today. These Grubhub orders. The driver and the restaurant get the order at the exact same time. Fortunately, the delivery is only a half mile. Like this person's like right around the corner from the store.
Since Uber was offering me a $100 bonus for completing only 3 trips, I decided to multi-app Grubhub and Uber Eats on Saturday night. My first 2 orders were on Uber Eats for Sake House and then Checkers, which was an add-on order, which I wouldn't normally take, but this Checkers customer was right around the corner from the Sake House customer. Unfortunately, I didn't get screenshots of these orders, so we'll just have to see the payout screen. But I did make over $21 for about 45 minutes of work, so not too bad. I was just waiting at this Japanese steakhouse for almost 30 minutes. No progress reports or anything. I was chatting with Grubhub support I was asking if I could get like a excessive weight bump, and the lady had no idea what I was talking about. She's like, no, can't give you any extra money for waiting. So I'm like, fuck it, it was only a $9 order. My last order of the night was on Uber Eats for Red Lobster. Again, I forgot to take a screenshot of the offer, but it was pretty huge, over $19. That included a surge of $15.37. And it was only a few miles, and it only took 20 minutes, so that was a great way to end the night. Since I did pretty well on Saturday night, I decided to add DoorDash to the mix on Sunday. The night started out pretty good with a pizza order on Grubhub, followed by a Subway order on Uber Eats, which would allow me to stack both deliveries at the same time, but the pizza order got canceled before I even got to the store.
Hello, thank you for calling Starbucks. My name is Karen. How can I help you?
Yeah, the order that I'm on, the restaurant just called me and said that the customer wanted to cancel the order and they couldn't figure out how to cancel it.
Oh, I'm really sorry for that inconvenience. Do you know the reason of the cancellation?
The restaurant was out of the food that the customer wanted. Yeah, but the customer wants to cancel the entire order.
Okay, I already canceled the order. If there's anything else that I can do for you?
Do I get like half pay or anything?
You should be compensated for the amount of the to go to the restaurant.
I forgot to take a screenshot again of the offer screen on Uber Eats for a double Chinese food delivery, but if you look at the breakdown screen, I made even more after delivery. Nice. After that, I went to Wawa for dinner, and of course, I got ticket number 666.